Best chop saws deliver fast, precise, and powerful cutting performance for metal, wood, and other materials. Designed for workshops, construction, and DIY projects, they offer durability, accuracy, and efficiency for a variety of cutting tasks. Starting at number 1, Makita LC1230 Metal Cutting Saw. The Makita LC1230-12 metal cutting saw is a powerful and reliable cold cutting machine designed for professional metal fabrication, construction, plumbing, and workshop applications. Equipped with a 15 amp motor delivering 1,700 RPM, it provides fast and precise cutting performance on materials such as pipe, angle iron, tubing, conduit, and channel. The saw features a 12-inch carbide-tipped blade that produces clean, accurate cuts with minimal burrs, sparks, and heat compared to abrasive cutting methods. It includes a quick-release vise for secure material holding, a tool-less guide plate that adjusts from 0 degrees to 45 degrees for miter cuts, and a large cast aluminum base for enhanced stability. The ergonomic D-shaped handle with a 2-finger trigger and lock-off button improves user comfort and safety, while the built-in shavings collection tray helps maintain a cleaner workspace. With a maximum cutting capacity of up to 4.5 inches at 90 degrees, and included accessories such as a carbide-tipped blade, socket wrench, and safety goggles, the Makita LC1230 is an excellent choice for demanding metal cutting tasks requiring speed, accuracy, and durability. Number 2. Evolution S14 MCS Chop Saw. The Evolution S14 MCS14 mitring chop saw is a heavy-duty cold-cut metal cutting machine designed for professional fabricators, welders, and serious DIY users who need fast, accurate, and clean metal cuts. Powered by the EvoMax intelligent motor, it delivers optimized blade performance with active speed control to extend blade life by up to 30%. The saw uses a long-life EvoMax Cermet carbide blade capable of producing 3,500-plus cuts through 4-inch mild steel tubing while providing burr-free, cool-to-touch finishes that require minimal post-processing. Its precision mitering base allows accurate cuts from 46 degrees to plus 46 degrees, while the shadow line cut guide helps improve alignment and cutting accuracy. Additional features include a soft start motor for smoother operation, reinforced cast aluminum base construction, dual sliding clamps for secure material holding, and reduced heat and sparks compared to abrasive cutting methods. With its powerful performance, durable design, and professional-grade features, the Evolution S14 MCS is an excellent choice for metalworking, fabrication shops, and industrial applications. Number 3. Evolution S15 CPS Chop Saw. The Evolution S15 CPS 15 heavy-duty metal cutting chop saw is an industrial-grade cold-cutting machine designed for professional metal fabrication, construction, and workshop applications. Powered by a robust 15-amp motor and equipped with EvoMax intelligent motor technology, it delivers efficient cutting performance while helping extend blade life by up to 30%. The included EvoMax 14ST Cermet carbide blade is independently tested to provide more than 3,500 clean cuts through mild steel, producing smooth, burr-free finishes with reduced heat and sparks compared to traditional abrasive cutting methods. The saw features a 15-inch blade guard that allows compatibility with larger blades, a precision shadow line, cutting guide for accurate alignment, and an e-brake safety system that stops the blade within seconds after trigger release. Its soft start motor reduces startup stress, while the reinforced cast aluminum base and durable cast iron fence provide stability and long-term accuracy during demanding cutting tasks. With its powerful performance, enhanced safety features, and professional-level precision, the Evolution S15 CPS is an excellent choice for metalworkers, fabricators, and industrial users requiring reliable and efficient metal cutting. Number 4. Evolution S355 CPSL Chop Saw. The Evolution S355 CPSL Heavy Duty 14th metal cutting chop saw is a powerful and reliable dry-cut metalworking tool designed for professional fabrication, construction, and workshop applications. Equipped with a 15-amp high-torque motor and a 14-inch carbide-tipped mild steel cutting blade, it delivers fast, accurate, and clean cuts with minimal heat, sparks, and burrs compared to traditional abrasive saws. The saw features a durable cast steel vise with 0 to 45 degrees miter cutting capability, allowing users to make precise angled cuts for various metal projects. Its lightweight stamped steel base includes integrated bench mounting holes for added stability, while the quick-release vise, V-block adapter, and chip deflector improve safety, convenience, and cutting efficiency. With a maximum cutting capacity of approximately 4 to 3/4 and a compact design with a carry handle for easy transport, the Evolution S3 CPSL is an excellent choice for metalworkers, fabricators, and DIY users who need accurate, powerful, and dependable cold cutting performance. Number 5. Skillsaw SPT8401 Chop Saw. The Skillsaw SPT8401 14-inch abrasive cutoff chop saw is a powerful and durable metal cutting tool designed for professional job sites, fabrication work, and heavy-duty cutting applications. Featuring a robust 15-amp motor with a 3,800 RPM no-load speed, it delivers strong cutting performance for materials such as steel pipes, tubing, angle iron, and other metal stock. The saw is equipped with a 14-inch reinforced abrasive cutting wheel and provides a maximum cutting capacity of up to 5 inches for round materials and 4.5 inches for square materials. Its large 11 to 18 to 1/2 steel base provides excellent stability during demanding cuts, while the custom D-shaped handle offers improved comfort and control. Additional features include stamped steel guards, a chip deflector for better debris management, an adjustable depth of cut stop, quick lock vise, on-tool wrench storage for convenient wheel changes, and GFCI protection for enhanced user safety. With its portable 34-pound design and rugged construction, the Skillsaw SPT8401 is an excellent choice for contractors, metalworkers, and DIY users who need reliable and efficient metal cutting.